Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back or welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Marilyn. As you guys can tell by the title of the video, I'll be sharing with you how to get, those gorgeous, beautiful curls using a curling wand. So if you want to see a video on how I achieve those voluminous curls on your hair, keep on watching. This video is going to be very detailed, and I'm pretty sure by the end of it you'll be able to know exactly what I did and be able to do it for yourself. So all the details will be in the description box, but I like to use this bio silk therapy. I think I got it from Clore's Beauty, but I'll leave a link down below where you can get it online as well. So you just want to put that on the hair. It helps give the hair very nice shine, and then you want to comb the hair as well. The hair I'm using is from my brand, and I will leave the link to this exact unit in the description box, as well as the link to my website so you can see all our wig collection. So I proceeded to sectioning the hair into two, so there will be the left part and the right part. So here I'm showing you how to get started in the left section. So you want to I usually like to take like 2 wefts at a time. So I just take 2 wefts down, comb it through, and I'm showing you the curling wand I am using in this video. I got it from, I don't remember, I feel like I probably got it from Amazon years ago, but the brand is on the side, it says Hoo. But any curling wand that you have that looks like this would work, honestly, but this is the brand that I'm using. So I proceeded to sectioning that little part as you guys can see in the video and curling it. And you want to for the left section of the hair, you want to place the curling wand under the hair. So the hair is going to be on top of the curling wand. But when you move to the right section, the curling wand should be on top of the hair. So in the left section, the curling wand is under the hair. As you guys can see, I'll show you another clip where I do it slowly. But if you move to the right section, the curling wand should then be on top of the hair. So here again, just take 2 wefts at a time, comb it, section it. At the very bottom, I usually section it into 2, and then at the middle, and when I start getting to the end, I just section it into 3, or depending on how much. You just want to take little sections at a time. And then when I curl the hair, you also want to wear gloves so you don't burn yourself, because even with those gloves it still feels very hot, honestly. So sometimes I take my hand off of it. So here I'll show you the different technique that I use for the right section. It's the same process, it's just how you place the curling wand that is different, so that way the hair kind of meets, or it's like that way you frame your face better. So for the right section, you see the curling wand goes on top of the hair, and then I move pretty much in a counterclockwise direction. So the left section, you move the hair in the clockwise direction, and then the right section, you move in a counterclockwise direction, just like I'm doing in the video. It's pretty self-explanatory, and I will show you a bunch of clips, so I'm sure by the time you finish watching the video, you'll be able to get it as well.
motion where you should me to call you when you turn me on. The way you telling me you want me down. Done it.
So once I've done like a certain amount of curls, I just go in with a hairspray. This is the hairspray I'll be using, but any good hairspray would work.
And this before you fall, I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad man, you she don't love money. She break grass real fast like
and you guys can see how shiny and soft this hair is. That is what you get when you shop Mazic Beauty. The hair quality is absolutely insane. It is so good. The hair feels so soft, and the hair is gonna last you for years, like a very long time. Trust me on that. And the hair in the back of the video is a different unit. It is the Cindy unit. The one I'm curling, it's the Ada unit. So we have different types of wigs in our collection. So be sure to check out the website for more and to see the different options we have.
When I swim down to the deep end, wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around, too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind.
Okay, so I proceeded to do the exact same procedure till I got to the top. The only thing I want to note in the top portion is I do go in with the wax stick. I'll be using one that I also purchased from Amazon a while back, so I'll leave the link to that below. So I go in, I still section the hair, comb it out, and I usually go in with the wax stick to just make sure you tame, that will help tame the flyaways. And then I also go in with a hot comb, and that way it helps to make sure the top is very flat, because we don't want bulky top in our wigs. We want them to be very flat and nice looking. So I do go in with the hot comb. I do go in with the wax stick, then follow it up with the hot comb, and then proceed to curling the hair with the curling wand. So you guys will see that exactly here, and this is me using the wax stick on the hair, and then I just kind of go in with the hot comb and proceed to curling the hair in the same exact way I showed you guys. So here I'm going in a clockwise direction with a curling wand underneath the hair.
How you taking all my time? Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I understand you how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist cause I need ya. And it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Golden cuppa, get to you clean and proper. Way I move, ain't no weekend lover. You gon' have me on your mind forever. Ever, nice baby, turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night?
So if you've gotten to this part of the video and you're currently not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I do want to please plead with you to please subscribe. There's a lot of please and pleading. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate that. I'm trying to grow my channel, so please subscribe. In this channel you can expect different types of videos, one of which would be more hair videos like this. I also will be doing a lot of food videos very soon, so showing you guys some recipes, and another thing would be vlogs here and there, and also entrepreneurship and business related videos. So if any of these sound enticing to you, please subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on your notifications so you don't miss any video from me. As well as please give this video a thumbs up so it would help the algorithm and the engagement. Also comment down below if you found this video helpful to you. I would really appreciate that, guys. Thank you so much. And we are at the last piece. So as you guys can see, the knots are already bleached. That's one thing with our wigs. We bleach the knots for you, we wash and style it so your wig does come ready to wear. So as you guys can see, we're done curling, and this is what the curls look like. So you want to go in with a wide tooth comb, just like the one I'm using, and brush the curls out, because you want the curls to still look very natural, seamless, and depending on the look you're going for, but that's the look I was going for. And when you get to the top of the hair, I use a smaller comb to just kind of like frame the hair in a way that it sits nicely on the face. So I just work my way around it, comb it, and you're kind of like shaping it. I also take it out and then comb the bottom, and just see how like lush and beautiful these curls look. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. So you just comb it through, and I did leave it because my camera died, and this is the next day actually. So the next day, the hair, you can see the curls dropped a little bit, but this is perfect because this is the look that I am going for, and this is how we sell it. So you guys, I was just taking pictures for Instagram and doing reels, but this is the final result with the sun, without the sun hitting it. It's still beautiful. The hair is so soft. Oh my gosh, it's like the perfect everyday wig. And yeah, this is the final result. I hope you guys found this video helpful to you. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.